Hi, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with Ztrodex, and today we are looking at the analysis on the equity, Mastercard, and as usual, we will be talking about fundamentals first, which surrounds news events following recent news of Mastercard, which of course drives the market, and then we move down to technicals, which will be purely chart pattern, price action, a little bit of trend analysis, and support and resistance points as well. So first, I want you to know that Mastercard has consistently delivered strong financial results, and recently quarters showing the company's ability to exceed analyst expectations. And in the third quarter of 2024, Mastercard surpassed both top and bottom line forecasts, partly aided by a lower tax rate, with an EBITDA of $16.8 billion and an impressive gross profit margin of 100%, according to data. And this performance has underscored the robustness of consumer spending and the company's effective execution of its growth strategies. Investors should note that Mastercard's next earnings report is scheduled for January 30th, 2025. And the company's value-added services VAS segment has emerged as a significant growth driver in the second quarter of 2024, and VAS experienced a notable acceleration with a sequential increase of approximately 400 basis points and a year-over-year growth of 19% when adjusted for foreign exchange. And this shift towards VAS represents a strategic move to diversify revenue streams, and also reduce cyclicity in Mastercard's business model. So this, of course, is giving us the vibe, or rather the intuition, that the buyers are still up there, irrespective of this current retest. Of course, if you have an overall look at this looks like a double shoulder with head pattern. These are the shoulders, of course, another shoulder forming to kick up the buy trend. And of course, this is the head. So what we are trying to do here, we are just trying to balance what currently the market might be portraying a ranging market for now before it finally skyrockets to the top. So basing our points on this, we of course going to mark out a trend line. And then we mark out the second one on the downward part. Yes. So now this trend line shows that at this point of this recent support is where this ranging could end, which is close to the trend line, and then before it skyrockets again to the top. So if you're putting your sellers down, yes, of course, we are expecting brief selling, but then the overall trend should be a buy trend, of course. Now, if we were to make a quick sales entry, we are looking at between this point, which is 523.48, and the next support, which is 511.41, which is approximately 15 pips thereabout from that point, which of course is good money. But then once the market hits this very important support zone, we're expecting a bump up and a pushback to the uptrend. We're looking at about 36 to 40 pips push up following this move. And this, of course, should tell on where the market is currently going to be heading to. So that's about 40 pips, if I'm not mistaken, from that point to the top. Now, that's our technical analysis from these wonderful chart patterns, which we have understood today. And of course, equities Mastercard. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.